Hello everybody, my name is Judith Slapak-Barski and I'm here again today to talk to you about Camtasia for Mac. In reviewing the last time we got together, we talked about what Camtasia is and what it does, and also some of the benefits of using Camtasia. If you remember, we said that one of the benefits is the fact that the screen area to be recorded can be chosen freely, and also audio may be recorded at the same time or added separately from any other source. Camtasia also gives you the tools you need to record on-screen activity, edit and enhance your content, and share in high quality to viewers anywhere. Today we will cover the basics to get started hands-on using Camtasia. But besides looking at the how-tos, we will also talk about how and when to make choices to improve results for your videos or tutorials. And then we'll take questions and answers. So let's get right to it. Let's prepare to record. Sure, you can dive right in and start recording, but if you follow these steps, you can save a lot of time editing later on and end up with a much better video in the end. The first tip is clean up your computer. Unless you're preparing to record a full screen presentation, make sure your viewers don't see anything distracting. For example, if you have a background that is unusual or loud, consider changing it to the OS defaults. Also, if you have desktop icons or folders, consider putting them out of the way. You can create a temporary folder and then you can put them back if you want. So, once your desktop is nice and clean, you're ready to start. The second tip is, before you start recording, make sure you make a full script. Type up exactly what you're going to say. This keeps your language really concise and keeps the final video shorter. It also allows you to make sure you don't forget to mention important points, so I strongly suggest a script, or at a bare minimum, at least make a good outline of what you're going to say. And finally, do a practice run. It's often amazing how many things come up during the practice run that you didn't plan for or expect. When you first open Camtasia, you will be presented with the recording interface. Also, you will be able to select which area of the screen you want to record. You can choose full screen, you can choose a custom region, or a specific area. Also, you can choose to select an area that you used before. In this case, I'm going to choose Color LCD because for this particular setup, that means full screen. The next choice you can make is whether you want the camera on or off. This is as easy as clicking on the built-in camera option and you can choose to have the camera on, or if you don't want to record your face, you choose the camera off and you're done. Also, by default, Camtasia gives you the built-in microphone. We will skip system audio for now, we will leave it as is, and then we move to the right of the screen and we're ready to hit record and then we can start. You will get the countdown, you wait for the countdown to stop, and then you start. Let's say that you want to visit this website. So you navigate through the screen, you can scroll up, you can scroll down, you can highlight a particular section, and then when you're finished, you can go ahead and either stop or pause the recording. The way to do so is by clicking the icon on the menu bar and choosing either stop or pause the recording. Also, if I want to stop the video, I can choose to do so with the keyboard keys. I can press Option together with Command together with the number 2 to stop. Or if I want to pause, I can press Shift together with Command together with the number 2 in order to pause. Once you stop the recording, after a few moments, your recording will open up for editing, and you can view what you have recorded. Then the next step would be to edit, and we will talk about editing in a couple of minutes. But for now, let's stop here so we can take your questions and provide you with answers.